Late hours, lessons learned, weekends sacrificed. You've put in the work. Now, your drive awaits. The all-new 275 series from Yamaha will transform the boat of your dreams into the boat at the end of your dock. These luxury boats integrate Yamaha's unparalleled commitment to user-friendly design with unique innovations for an entirely new boating experience. Introducing Drive by Yamaha, the marine industry's first dual-paddle control system for effortless low-speed handling around docks, launch ramps, and other boats. Drivers can control the boat without their hands ever leaving the steering wheel by utilizing the right paddle to accelerate forward and the left paddle to decelerate and reverse. Simply engage Drive with a single touch through our 12.3-inch Connect screen with an all-new floating display that provides access to the boat's vital information. Of course, what good is control without true power? For the first time ever, a Yamaha boat features our twin supercharged 1.8-liter SVHO marine engines, producing a class-leading 500 horsepower. Even the placement of our engines was carefully considered to make the boat more responsive, powerful, and spacious. You'll enjoy premium features throughout our thoughtfully designed layout, including customizable bow seating, a roomy head compartment, and other finishing touches for a memorable experience. Entertaining has reached a new level of refinement thanks to an artfully designed galley with dedicated space that helps you celebrate every kind of occasion. And an evolution of the stern area transforms Yamaha's award-winning two-tiered swim platform into a unique way to appreciate the water. With customizable seating configurations throughout the boat, including the first-ever swim-up seats, the 275 series takes leisure time to another level. The 275 series from Yamaha. The perfect combination of performance, beauty, and premium features.